Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a simple yet effective upgrade that can breathe new life into your older Toshiba laptop. The ATEC 4GB DDR3 RAM module. Specifically designed for a range of Toshiba satellite models, including the C55, C5241, C55D, B5385, C845D, SP4327SL, C855D, S5351, L45, ASP4202FL, S55C, PSBDNU 00800P, and S55T, B5273NR. This little stick of memory promises to boost performance without breaking the bank. This is a single 4GB module, operating at a speed of 1866 MHz, PC3L 14900. It's a DDR3 SODIMM, featuring the standard 204-pin configuration. What's particularly noteworthy is its low voltage requirement of 1.35V. This is great for older laptops as it helps to conserve battery life while still delivering a performance kick. Installation is straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that no special expertise is needed, and they're right. Simply consult your Toshiba laptop's manual for guidance on locating the RAM slots and the proper seating procedure. It's a quick and easy process that most users can handle themselves. The real question is, does it make a difference? In short, yes. Adding this 4GB module can noticeably improve your system's responsiveness, especially if you're upgrading from a smaller amount of RAM or if your existing memory is starting to show its age. Multitasking becomes smoother, applications load faster, and overall, the laptop feels more snappy. ATEC also backs their memory modules with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. Plus, they have a tech support team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. If you're looking for an affordable and easy way to improve the performance of your aging Toshiba satellite, the ATEC 4GB DDR3 RAM module is definitely worth considering. It's a simple upgrade that can make a tangible difference in your everyday computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.